I'm going to be making a Brainrot game in only 24 hours. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up my project and show you guys what I have. Alright, you guys will first notice that we kind of have a lobby up here, and then this is where the actual gameplay is going to be happening. So the players spawn up there, they get teleported down here, and then each round there's a new obby, and then at the end of the obby, there'll be a random Brainrot here, and when they beat it, they get the Brainrot, and I'll make a inventory system where they can equip the Brainrots and then show them to other players. So it should be pretty cool if I get that fully working. What I've done right now is pretty cool. We basically go up there, from up there we come down here and spawn, and as you can see we have a troll system working where you can spectate the player, move to the next players, and then you can kill them, which will prompt you a purchase, and then when you buy them, then yep, they die. Then there will be a random Brainrot at the end of the obstacle course, and they can touch it, equip it, and they can show other players. Currently I haven't made like the actual models for it, but I do have the logic working. As you can see here, this is a rare Brainrot called Tung 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 Sahur. The first thing I'm going to work on is creating the models for the Brainrots. First model is finally done, and that took forever to do, but I'm really happy the way it turned out. And I added a little headboard GUI on the top so you can see what name it is and the rarity. So next I'm just going to create a script that uses a proximity prompt to detect whenever the player presses a key next to it, and then I'll add it to their inventory. Okay, it should be working now. Let me go ahead and test. I think I forgot to anchor it, but let's just test if it works now. And then once I click E, it should add it into my backpack. And yes, it did. Alright, nice, it works. So I may have done a little bit of off-camera grinding, and let me just show you what I made. So as you can see, we have a little well part which is attached to the player, and I made the whole Brainrot system right now, where the Brainrots will spawn at the end, and then you can collect them. So if you go up here, you can see their name, their rarity, you press get, and then it welds to the back of you. And you can swap them out. But I obviously didn't make it where like it deletes the previous one. So there are some things which I need to add, but I think I got the main system working. And I'm not gonna lie, these are a lot better models than I thought I was gonna be able to make. So I spent the next 10 minutes making those changes, and here's how it turned out. Now that it's working, I think I'm gonna get started on making the inventory UI, so you can actually switch between the Brainrots you have. Alright, now everything should be working. So when I click on this Brainrot image, it should change. Yep. It's been a while since my last update, but a lot of things have happened. I've pretty much been done with the game, and I just want to show you what I've added. The first thing that you notice when you spawn in is that this map is now a lot smaller, and it looks a lot better. So I'm just going to hit play here, and I'll just show you guys what I've added. Basically, all of your like VIP items which you've bought, they all save in your inventory, as well as these things. So you can click through them, and then you could equip the ones that you want. Like let's say I want this one, then it adds to my backpack, and let's say I want the most rarest one, then I can add it to my backpack. So that's pretty cool, but you can see that the obby is actually procedurally generated, which means that each section is being generated differently. So the game is pretty much done, and now all that's left to do is just publish it, and I'm gonna wait 2 days and I'll come back with the results. Okay, it's been 2 days and I'm gonna check the playtime for the first time. And oh my god, only 4 visits. Okay, I think it's safe to say that this game has failed, and not all Brainrot games can become super viral, and I think this is a very good example of that. But this could also be because I never actually advertised it, I just published it.